My name is Doug Morby. I'm the Manager of Utilities at Narromine Shire Council. The key responsibility is to ensure that we reach the targets set for us by the health regulation. It's a pretty large responsibility when you start providing drinking water to a community, no matter what size plant you're running or operating. This made the choice of membrane technology the first choice that we went to. The conventional polymeric membranes were considered in the first instance to be what we were going to go with, but the advent of the ceramic membrane onto the seam certainly changed the game from where we were concerned. The whole concept of the flat sheet membrane was very attractive from a maintenance perspective and a long-term viability perspective. The fact that you can actually clean them with a pressure washer, which is something you just cannot do with any other form of membrane technology, made them enormously attractive when we have limited maintenance services available and a limited ability to have a full-time operator on the site. The membrane technology solved all our problems in relation to being able to combine the removal of heavy metals, iron, manganese, potentially some chloride, and deal with the microbiological hazards of E. coli, Cryptosporidium and Giardia in the one pass, rather than having to have multiple systems of membranes, filtration and large amounts of chemical dosing. The membrane technology has meant that for a substantially lower cost than conventional filtration technologies, we have been able to provide Tomingley with water that meets not only the Australian Drinking Water Guidelines, but the latest in microbial health-based targets for water supply. These membranes, I believe, can be a game changer for both small and large utilities and for both small and large systems. The reason I chose Infinite Water was the confidence that they exhibited, the fact that they had access to the technology, they had people on board who had actually worked with it overseas, so they had experience in the technology. And in fact, they were the only company that I could find in Australia with any experience in this type of membrane technology. They also have and continue to stand totally behind this project. They have invested a lot of time in the project with us to make it a success and have stood by us every inch of the way, providing support in the design stage, support in the construction stage, commissioning. I can't fault the work that they've done. So very, very happy with what Infinite has delivered so far.